How dangerous is this thing? On a scale of like, holy shit, to like, holy shit.
Shitstorm. That's the word I'm looking for.
That device is basically the cyber warfare equivalent of an atomic bomb.
They wanted us to chase down some sort of bioweapon. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't go blowing anything up.
When do we ever blow anything up?
We're the blunt instrument that this situation needs. Because something far worse is coming down the line. Roll out! The orders. You don't have to like them. You just have to follow them.